Hi everybody, today we are going to solve algebra questions from Stanford Math Tournament 2021, a competition for high school students. We need to find the n for integer answer, no calculator, and solve within 5 minutes. This is a question. We have log base of 8 and log base of n. So obviously we need to change the base using the standard equation. Therefore, log base AB can be changed to log base C using this equation. Here, let's choose a C. Obviously, we have a 8 here and 1 over 4 here. In other words, the base C is actually 2 because 8 is 2 power 3, 1 over 4 is 2 power negative 2. The bottom will be log 2 and the top will be log 2 and 8 plus the bottom is log 2 1 over 4. The top is log 2 n, which is equals to negative 5 over 2. So we need to define the log 2 n equals to x. Meanwhile, we know log 2 8 is actually log 2 power 3, which is 3, and then the log 2 1 over 4 is log 2 power negative 2, which is negative 2. So the equation can be further transformed. 3 over x minus x over 2 equals to negative 5 over 2. Let's factor the left hand side. 2x will be here. Here will be 6 minus x power 2. Right hand side is still the same. We can simplify the bottom and then we bring the x to the right hand side, becomes 6 minus x squared equals to negative 5x. Rearrange a quadratic equation. We have x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. This is a factorable quadratic equation. Okay. There are two numbers, multiply each other become negative 6, sum together become negative 5. So obviously it is 1 multiply negative 6 equals to 0. So we have a first condition, x plus 1 equals to 0. X equals to negative 1. And what is x? X is actually log 2n, and therefore n is 1 over 2. But we are looking for integer answer, as the question says. So this is not the final answer. On the other hand, x minus 6 equal to 0, x equals to 6. We know x is actually log base 2n equals to 6. So n is 2 power 6 equals to 64. And it is an integer answer. Therefore, we will accept it as a final answer. N equals to 64. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification button.